All right. So your first assignment for ClickClackMoo Cows That Type is the 5Ws worksheet. All right. I don't actually have the blank 5Ws worksheet. I guess I left my copy at school, but you should find it. It has 5 small square, well, I guess they're rectangles, 5 rectangles with questions in them, and then you have the blank rectangles next to them. So the first one says, who brings the letter from Farmer Brown to the cows? So who? That's your first W. Who? All right, so who brings that letter from Farmer Brown to the cows? So he's bringing the ultimatum. All right. Your next W is what. So we have the who, we have the what. What do the cows and hens want from Farmer Brown? So what do they want? So that's your other W. So you have a who, you have a what. Then you have a when. Who, what, when. When is the barn very cold? Well, the story tells you the barn's very cold at night. So there's your when. Then we have the where. Where is this taking place? The question is, where do the cows tell Farmer Brown to leave the blankets? So we have a who, we have a what, we have a when, we have a where, and the last W is a why. Why was Farmer Brown upset with the cows and hens? When you write a story, you're going to use a who, what, when, where kind of situation. And on Friday, you have this worksheet. All right. Now, today, you're not doing this worksheet unless you want to. But on Friday, you have this worksheet. And I'm going to give you a little bit more detail about this in a different video. But I want you to be aware on this worksheet, you need to be using those 5 W's. The question is there something you wish for from your teacher? So is there something that I can do for you? Something I could give you? Something I could do? All right. So you need to tell me who. All right. Who are you talking to? You're going to be talking to me. All right. What? What do you want? What are you wishing for? When could we do it? Where could we do it? Where can I get it? When can I get it? And then why? You need to tell me why. This is a persuasive letter, and so you have to really give me information as to why you would want this. Why would you want me to get this for you? It could be an item that I could purchase for you. It could be something that if we were at school that we could do, something like that, okay? So this is a persuasive. So you need to use your 5 W's and tell me about that, okay? And again, I'll give you a little bit more detail in a separate video, but I want to make you aware that when you're working on your 5W worksheet, make sure you're thinking about when you write a paragraph to make sure you include the who, what, when, where, and why in the paragraph. All right. So good luck on your 5 who, what, when, where, whys, your W words, and stay tuned for your next assignment.